In 2013, hospitals in East Lancashire were in a critical condition and placed into special measures. Death rates high and staff morale low.
East Lancashire NHS Trust, where the panel highlighted issues of poor governance, inadequate staffing levels and high mortality rates at weekends. Patients and their families complained of a lack of compassion.
It's been a difficult few years, but the latest CQC report has rated the trust as good overall.
We have put more doctors and nurses on wards, but we've looked at everything that we do, and it's really instilling in all staff to be proud of what you do and to come in every day and work as hard as you can to deliver the best possible care.
The inspections here at Blackburn and at Burnley hospitals in September were follow-ups to wider inspections carried out in 2015. They found that the trust had a clear vision with staff dedicated to patient care.
I think it's just all that's been introduced over the last 3 years, like they're saying about harm-free care and the falls. We've got new leadership, and I think that's helped. Communication from the top to the ground floor has helped, and that's been massive for morale, I think.
Pat Dixon's been in hospital over the new year and says she's been impressed with her care.
Wonderful, really good, can't complain.
The trust is turning a corner. However, the CQC found there was still a reliance on costly agency staff, with some wards falling below the 80% fill rates for registered nurses. They found the emergency department continued to find the 4-hour wait target challenging, with over 1,500 ambulance handovers taking longer than 30 minutes.
There was a time a good few years ago where people were pretty unhappy about what was going on in their local hospital. I don't see that now. Most people are very pleased with the treatment that they get here. If there are complaints, it's usually about relatively minor things, about car parking and so on, which loom large in some people's minds, but the actual medical care, I think, is now very good indeed.
Royal Blackburn Hospital and Burnley General are now known as teaching hospitals, helping to train the doctors and nurses of tomorrow. After turbulent times, this trust is showing signs of recovery. Steve Saul, BBC North West Tonight, Blackburn.